Okay, so we're going to go ahead and go through what you need in order to do this project. You're going to need to have a 2-ounce spray bottle and pick out whatever essential oils you want to use. I'm using, for me, Egyptian Geranium, Frankincense, and again I will list these down below. Lavender. Then I'm going to put vitamin E oil, and I'm sorry, they seem to kind of be looking blurry today and I'm holding them up. And then I'm using the almond oil, sweet almond oil, and the vegetable glycerin. I have a little cylinder here. I always forget what the names of things are when I'm trying to tell you. And measuring spoons, and then distilled water. All right, and again, I will put the items that I'm using down below and the recipe down below the video, so make sure you check out what I have down below the video after you get done viewing this, okay? All right, so we're going to start first by, of course, opening the bottle, and I am going to add the vegetable glycerin first. All right, so I just added 1.5 teaspoons, and I'm sorry, I'm trying to video this on my own, and that would be the vegetable glycerin that I did 1.5 teaspoons of into the little funnel here. So we're going to go on to the next one, which is 1 teaspoon of your sweet almond oil. All right, so we'll be adding that next. All right, so I just finished adding the sweet almond oil, and again that was 1 teaspoonful, and I went ahead and put that down into the bottle. And my next thing I'm going to add is 4 to 5 drops of my vitamin E oil. One thing I have to keep in mind too is I keep getting these oils on my fingers, so I'm getting them on my camera. All right, so I'm just going to do, this comes out pretty quickly. I did 5. I like the moisturization. My skin needs it. Again, I just have very, very, very dry skin, so I did 5 for the vitamin E oil. Next thing we're going to do is add in the essential oils, and I'll be with you here in a second on that one. All right, so the first one I'm going to put in is my lavender. Oops. And the recipe says 8 to 10 drops of your essential oils. Now I'm just going to do 8 since I'm doing 3 different oils. All right, the next one I'm going to do is frankincense. As you can see, some of them come out pretty quick, so you have to be careful. I'll tell you, I love the smell of the Egyptian geranium. All right, so now we have our oils, and then last thing I'm going to do is fill the remainder of the bottle with the distilled water. And when you do this, you just got to be careful you don't overfill. I have to watch it because I'm good at overfilling it. Yep, and as I speak, that's what I did. So don't do what I do. Pay attention. All right, so I'm going to take this off. And then I'm going to probably overflow again a little bit more. All right, so I got it all filled up. And what I'm going to do is just shake it. And every time you get ready to use it, make sure anytime you're doing a spray with your essential oils, always make sure that you shake it up before you spray it on yourself, because, you know, it could settle some. You just want to make sure it's good and shook up. And I think it is. And then, you know, it's just so easy. I don't know if I'm going to be able to, this I won't be able to show you probably. I wanted to show spraying it, but I guess it's pretty easy to tell. It's kind of hard the way I'm doing this video today. Sorry about that. Anyways, all you have to do is just give it a spray. Work it through. I don't know if you can see it or not, but it's spraying. And I'll tell you, just what I do is, best thing to do is use this after you get out of the shower. But I also put it on my skin at night before I go to bed. Because like I said, my skin gets so dry throughout the day, and I'm actually putting some on now as we speak. And it just, even though it's a light spray, it still is very moisturizing. Very moisturizing. So I use it all over my body. When I get out of the shower in the morning, I have another spray I use, and I spray this on top of it, and then I put my body butter or whatever that I've made in another video. I put that on top of it, and you would think, boy, with all these sprays, but again, I have very dry skin, so you have to use these and try your own little mixtures, you know, as far as adding things, taking things out that don't seem to work. You know, make the recipe your own by doing what's best for your skin type. But again, please use caution when you're using essential oils. No matter what brand you use, this is not brand specific. Use whatever brand you use. I do have affiliate links listed down below. If you want to purchase through my links, that's awesome. If not, do your own thing. I do, though, highly recommend that you check with your doctor before doing essential oils, especially if you're on medication or have health issues. And also keep the products up from children and from animals, and do your research before you would use any products like this on children or animals. I just, want to stress that enough, because some people may not take these oils seriously. They can be very strong, and you just want to use them with respect. That's the main thing. All right, I appreciate you. Hope you enjoyed the video today. Until the next time, please make sure you give me a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell. You stay safe and healthy, and until the next time, have a good one.